Good morning, Standard 9. Today we are going to learn our present tense. In present tense, we are going to learn simple present tense and present continuous tense. So let's start the class. So student, the simple present tense, the structure of positive sentence is subject plus V1 plus subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus objective. Examples are Ram eats an apple, he writes a novel, I go to the school, you play football. Let's talk about the structure of negative sentence. Negative sentence structure is subject plus do does plus V1 plus object. Ram does not go to office. I do not write any letter. You don't play football. Interrogative sentence structure is do does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Does Ram go to office? Do I write a letter? Do you play football? So these are the structures of simple present tense. Now let's talk about its uses. The simple present tense is used to express cases in which future action is considered part of a program already fixed. This use is common with announcements about timetables, schedules, organized events, etc. We use verbs like begin, end, stop, leave, depart, arrive, come, go, open, close. The adverbial used have a future time reference. Examples are we start tomorrow, she comes back next week. Second use is to refer a situation or state which is permanent or regarded as permanent. To refer a situation or state which is permanent or regarded as permanent. Examples are the sun sets in the west, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Third use is to refer to an action that is repeated at intervals. The repetition is usually shown by an adverbial like every day, weekly, always. I get up at 6 every day. So in this sentence, it is the example of habitual action that someone used to get up at 6 o'clock every day. We also go to a hill station in summer. So these are the uses of simple present tense, students. Now let's move on our second topic, that is present continuous tense. So the present continuous tense structure is formed with am, is, are plus the plain infinitive plus ing. So the plain infinitive plus ing means V4. Okay, like I am writing a letter, he is cooking food, you are going to the market. All the sentences are considered as present continuous tense. Negative form structure is subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V4 plus object. Example is I am not writing a letter, he is not driving a car, you are not cooking food. Interrogative structure is, am, are plus subject plus V4 plus object. Am I writing a letter? Are you going to Mumbai? Is he driving the car? So these are the structures of present continuous tense. Let's talk about its uses. The present continuous tense is used to indicate an activity going on at the time of speaking. For example, the boys are playing hockey, she is singing a song. Second use is to indicate a temporary activity. To indicate a temporary activity over a long period of time. For example, I am teaching the Merchant of Venice. She is doing research on Shakespeare plays. Third use is to express an action that is planned or fixed to take place in the future. The emphasis is on immediate plans. For examples, I am going to finish this book today. His father is arriving tomorrow. Okay, students, so these are the uses of present continuous tense. what you have to do as a home assignment, you have to go through with these structures